I know the last few weeks have been tough. Even the big players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP have been feeling some heat. Prices are down, uncertainty is high, and there's a lot of noise out there that can make things seem bleak. But what if I told you that this week could be the turning point for XRP and many other cryptocurrencies? This isn't hype, it's not clickbait, it's a data-driven analysis and a deep dive into what's happening right now. And let me tell you, the information I'm about to share could be a game changer for your portfolio. He's back at it again, buying Bitcoin like there's no tomorrow. August usually slows things down, but what if that same pattern holds? Combined with the ETF approval, Saylor's latest and Jerome Powell's upcoming speech, we could be looking at a perfect storm for a breakout. And we can't forget about September. It's often called the Bermuda Triangle of crypto for its uncanny price spikes. Who knows? Maybe this year will be different, and if you're ready for it, you're going to be in a great position. So keep your eyes open, your mind sharper, and your heart even stronger, because this is just the beginning. See you in the next video. MicroStrategy just bought nearly 5,000 Bitcoin, worth over $530 million. According to Nate Gressy, president of ETF Store, XRP has the second most passionate community in crypto just behind Bitcoin. Well, it means lower capital requirements, better risk management, and easier access for both retail and institutional traders. Think of it as a gateway drug for crypto. And just like any good gateway drug, it's going to lead to bigger things. More accessibility equals more liquidity, and more liquidity means stronger, more stable price action. And that's not surprising. It's a community that sticks together, that advocates, that lobbies, that buys, and that kind of passion doesn't go unnoticed. Soon enough, the institutions will have to take notice. This isn't just about stacking, it's about moving the markets. When Saylor buys, other institutions take notice. It's like a game of phone tag, except instead of numbers, it's billions of dollars in crypto assets. And guess what? It works. The first ETF that includes XRP is about to be approved. It's not a single asset fund, it's a powerful basket that includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and yes, XRP. And while XRP's share in the ETF is relatively small, about 1 token, per share, its inclusion is a quiet bombshell. XP, Bitcoin, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash. Even a little pullback can be a good thing. It's a potential ETF approval, a major institutional Bitcoin by an upcoming speech from Jerome Powell, and new financial instruments making XRP and Solana more accessible than ever. Now, we don't know what's coming tomorrow. Tomorrow, anything can happen. But what we do know is that today, all signs point towards accelerating crypto adoption, clearer regulation, and growing institutional presence. Think of it as a mini reset before the next big leg up. And guess what? It's not a crash. There's no panic selling, no reason to hit the panic button. It's just the market doing its thing, taking a breather before the next bull run. Big institutions are finally taking XRPs seriously. It's not just about the ETF itself. It's what its approval means for the future. This ETF serves as a regulatory test case. If it gets the green light, it opens the floodgates for future ETFs focused on individual assets like a dedicated XRP spot ETF. And let me tell you, this is just the start. Once the dam breaks, we'll likely see several more ETFs hit the market, each offering a unique investment opportunity. But that's not all. There's a seismic shift happening in the way institutions view crypto, and it goes beyond just Bitcoin, and projects like XRP, Solana, and even Cardano are gaining serious traction. But why? Because they represent a new era in finance, an era of transparency, efficiency, and accessibility. They're redefining what it means to be a financial asset, and soon enough, they're going to be hard to ignore. In the meantime, we're seeing minor corrections across the board. And speaking of staying ahead of the pack, look at Michael Saylor. Now, let's talk about timing. Historically, July has been a strong month for Bitcoin. Look at the chart. Solid gains in the past 3 years. Speaking of powerful forces, let's talk about XRP's community. Finally, let's discuss. They just launched micro futures for XRP and Solana. What does that mean? So here's the deal. This week is a big one. You're watching this channel. You already know that the best is yet to come.